Welcome everyone! Have you ever shared your website on social media only to find that the preview is lacking? In this tutorial, we will show you how to enhance your website's appearance when shared on platforms like WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Telegram, and more, using the Open Graph protocol. What is the Open Graph protocol? The Open Graph protocol allows you to turn your web page into a rich object in a social graph by adding specific metadata to your HTML. The basic metadata or the essential Open Graph properties are the title, the type, the image, as well as the URL. Here you can see that they provide you with the description as well as some examples that shows you how to use those properties. In this video, we will focus mainly on these basic metadata, which are the primary ones. But if you want, you can read the rest of the page to learn about the other optional properties. On my personal website, I will be using the description. Open your code editor and open the index.html file. Make sure to add these 4 meta tags inside the head section. As you can see, I am using the title, the description, the image, and the URL properties. Here in the title, you specify the title of your website. For my case, it's My Universe Hub. Here, you need to provide a description. This is very important because it shows to the users what they need, what they are going to expect from your website. After that, we have the image property. This is very important to add because it will help the users see a preview of the website, and I think it will also help get more clicks if you want to share your website with everyone. Here there is something very important. The image should be a URL, not a path to an image that you have on your PC. In my case, I uploaded this image to GitHub and retrieved the link from there and used it here. You can do the same. You can either upload the image to GitHub or to your Google Drive or anywhere. Just get the URL and paste it here. Finally, we have the URL property. Here you just put the website link. Implementing the Open Graph protocol is a simple yet effective way to improve your website's appearance when shared on social media. This can lead to better engagement and more clicks to your website. As you can see, here I am showing you how the website looks like when I shared it on WhatsApp. So here you can see before we have the title, we have the website URL, but we don't have anything else. But after adding those meta tags, you can see that this preview looks very clean. You can see that we have the image, we have the title, we have that description that I showed you in the code editor, and finally we have the website URL. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video was very helpful. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.